Hello students and very good morning to you all. As you all know, my name is Arvind Rai from LPM Public School which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, and I am your subject teacher of Social Studies. Okay, and this video is helpful for class 4th students. Okay, students, in this video we are going to start our new chapter. Okay, our second chapter, that is landforms of the earth. Okay, landforms of the earth. Okay, now look at page number 8. Okay, to the top left corner, what it is written, a heading is written, learning outcomes. Okay, learning outcomes means sorry, learning outcomes means what we are going to learn after the completion of this chapter, and whatever the points are being mentioned in that heading, we are going to describe them very easily, because we will be able to answer each and every question based on this chapter. Okay, now what are the points? Explain what a landform is. Explain what a landform is. Okay? Explain what a landform is. Now, describe the different landforms and differentiate between them. Describe the various landforms and differentiate. Okay, differentiate between them. Okay, describe the various landforms and differentiate between them. What is the third point? Recognize the different landforms and give examples. Recognize the various landforms. Okay, recognize the various landforms and give and give examples. Okay, so these are the points we are going to cover up in this chapter, that is explain what a landform is. Okay, we are going to define what a landform is and describe the various landforms and differentiate between them. Okay, we will describe how many types of landforms are there on our earth, and we are going to differentiate between them. Means what are the major or minor differences between them. After that, recognize the various landforms and give examples. Okay, we will be able to recognize. Okay, we will be able to recognize what type of landform is, and we will be able to give suitable examples regarding that landform. Okay, now see in your book on page number 8, first paragraph. Okay, the surface of the earth consists of many different kinds of landforms. Okay, mountains, plateaus and plains are the three major landforms. Minor landforms include deserts, coasts, peninsulas, capes, islands and isthmuses. Okay, so in major landforms there are three types: mountains, plateaus and plains. These are major landforms. In minor landforms, deserts, coast, peninsulas, capes, islands and isthmuses. So we are going to describe each point: what is major landform, what is minor landform. Okay. Now students, see, before starting our chapter, you should be clear to your points. What are the major landforms and what are the minor landforms? Okay. In major landforms, these are of three types. Okay. Mountains, plateaus, mountains, plateaus. Okay. Mountains, plateaus and plains. Okay, these are major landforms. After that, minor landforms, that is deserts, deserts, coasts, peninsulas. Okay, deserts, coasts, peninsulas, capes, capes, islands and isthmuses. Okay, in minor landforms, deserts, coasts, peninsulas, capes, islands and isthmuses will come. Okay. Now, on the basis of this, we are going to learn what are the landforms and what is major landform, what is minor landforms, and on the basis of their particular names, how they differentiate from each other. So, these all points we are going to cover in this chapter. Now, see in page number 8, okay, under the heading mountains. Mountains are rocky masses of land that rise very high above the surrounding land. They have steep sloping sides and pointed tips called peaks. Okay. Now I should rub this. Now under the heading mountains, okay, mountains. Mountains are rocky masses of land. Okay, they are rocky masses of land that go upward. Okay, mountains, they go upward from the surface of the land. They have steep sloping sides. Okay, they have, suppose, okay, so these are the sloping sides, steep sloping sides of a mountain, and suppose this is our flat land. Okay, this is our flat land, and mountains are what? Rocky masses of land that go upward from the land surface. They have steep sloping sides and pointed tops. Okay, tops of the mountains are pointed. Okay, these pointed tips or tops is called peaks. What they are called? Peaks. Okay, in some places many mountains appear one after the other, forming an interconnected chain. Such a chain of mountains is called a mountain range. Suppose you might have seen somewhere mountains like, okay, they are interconnected. Okay, they are interconnected to each other. Okay, so they are one after another. They are interconnected to each other. So these type of interconnected chains, these type of mountains are called mountain range. I should write this side. They are called mountain range. Okay, are you getting my point? Mountain range. When the mountains are interconnected to each other, okay, these type of chains is called mountain range. The point, okay, the pointed top of the mountain is called peaks. Okay, now I should